Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening the camera app and selecting Portrait Mode. This engages the depth system. Make sure you use the rear lens for higher quality or the front lens for selfies. Move closer until the on-screen distance indicator appears, roughly 1 to 2 meters, or until the subject fits the oval guide. Once done, choose 1x or 2x zoom to frame the subject. Hold steady and keep the background at least 1 meter behind the subject, so the depth effect can separate subject. You now compose and adjust exposure to control mood. Tap the subject to lock focus, then slide your finger up or down to tweak brightness. This keeps details and prevents clipping. Position the light source to one side for dimension, or use portrait lighting, natural for subtle, stage for dramatic, so the algorithm simulates studio light. Move the subject or your camera slightly if the background bokeh looks unnatural. Make sure edges look clean in the preview before you press the shutter. A small shift removes blur artifacts. You capture the shot with the shutter or volume button and wait for processing. Don't move too fast. Once processed, tap the preview to adjust depth control and change portrait lighting. This lets you soften or sharpen the background after the fact. If you see strange edges or missing hair, make sure the subject is well lit and at least 1 meter from background, then retake. If the camera keeps failing, restart the app and try toggling portrait mode off and on before attempting another shot.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.